He had accepted $2.6 million in bribes to ensure that a Dominican Republic construction company would continue to receive contracts under his presidency. Martelly did not. As we all know, Haiti's history have been filled with corrupt leaders that have always put other nations' interests before their own nation. Haiti's current issues are stemmed from years of bad leaderships and treacherous acts of violence and corruptions that have plunged the nation into a state of perpetual poverty and crime sprees. Contrary to European popular beliefs, Haiti is not cursed because of voodoo, but because of many puppet leaders that have been installed by the international community, and unfair foreign policies that have greatly impeded the growth of the nation. Today we're going to look at the top worst Haitian presidents in history, and how they have contributed to the country's downfall, and the reasons behind their decisions. Number 10. Stenio Vincent. Stenio Vincent presided over Haiti from November 18, 1930